Welcome back, guys. Today we'll be going to shoot some rollers with Miles.
It's the same day.
It is the same day. I was trying 2 videos in one day, but we're gonna go shoot some rollers with Miles. You haven't seen him in a very long time. I think the only time you actually saw him was the fall photo shoot and the very first video. But we're also going to be checking out an R34 that was freshly imported just this spring, and we'll be shooting rollers with him too. So let's go. And we are here, and look who just showed up. Yeah. You guys probably haven't seen it, but this is Miles's all-terrain beast. It's a Nissan Xterra, and he's done some work with the rear bumpers. It's got bead-lock tires, and it's a little bit lifted. It's a little, compared to the Miata,
For all 5, it was...
it's a little bit big. So this is who we're going to be shooting with. So we got Skyline. I'll add everyone's Instagrams below. Taylor, you know Taylor. My Sweetie, David Miata, and Miles' Xterra. So let's go. So those first set of rollers are amazing. Miles is killing it right now. I've never seen my car in roller shots, and the white tire letters look awesome. But just to make it a little bit nicer to shoot rollers, we're gonna go a little bit faster. So we're gonna head on to the highway, and Miles is gonna shoot some rollers there. really just shot some B-roll. Definitely go check out Miles' Instagram and YouTube channel. He'll be doing some cool edits because it's golden hour. And now we're just gonna shoot the last set of rollers. How did that go, Miles?
Pretty good. Got some good shots.
Awesome. Those rollers that Miles got were amazing. The lighting was just perfect, and he got some of both mine and Sean's R34 rolling down the road. But that is going to be it for today, so I hope you enjoyed this little bit of behind the scenes. Be sure to check out both of their Instagrams because they will be posting the rollers, I bet, and they'll be posting a bunch of cool car content throughout the summer. But until next time, peace out and stay humble.